Hello, my name is Isaac Lozano Maldonado. I am 35 years old. I am Colombian. I was born in Santa Marta. I live in Barranca Bermeja, Santander. My family is my wife and 2 children from life. I'm in sixth semester electronica energy study. I like sport. I practice micro soccer. Thank you. 2 years ago, I traveled to the town and the scientists located and the department in Santander with war and youth campament programs with the Christian course. My wife and the children were at school and various places normally every year, and the days activities were there for 5 days. Another trip and plan to make in the future to Argentina while with family on the vacation and with of group we will travel in November 2022 since there is a very beautiful region the time. Thank you.